Hi, my name is Samira Zopunyan. I am glad to see you on my YouTube channel, and this is lesson 4, how to get rid of stiff hands. It's pretty common that beginner dancers have this hyper-existent, non-moving arms. It's like you can't relax them. They have this weird shape. Today I am going to show you several exercises that will help make your arms soft, flexible and gracious. The first exercise is very easy. Let's try it. Extend your arms forward, spread your fingers, then put each finger down on by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And do the fan one away. Left side will be a little bit more difficult, and the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try this to warm up your fingers, they should be very mobile. The next exercise is the waterfall. Hold your palms at head height, then make your fingers rain down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try moving every single finger. Do not just move one finger while the other one is stretching. Beautiful simultaneous flowing movements. Let's imagine that we are birds, beautiful creatures with widespread wings. Our arms are the wings, and now we'll try to fly. What do you need to do? Let your arms down, think that they are wings. First, put our elbow up like this. Elbow pulls your arms up as if someone is pulling your string. Then your wrist follows the elbow. 1. The elbow turns and goes down. 2. The rest follows the elbow again. 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Common mistake, do not do this and bend your hand too much. Don't be like Pinocchio or robot-like. We don't need this. We are doing everything softly. Your elbow goes first, then your wrist follows intuitively. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your shoulder can help the movement and also go up a little, but not too much. Gently, shoulder elbow raise, then the elbow goes down, then shoulder follows, and finally the rest. Don't break the wrist, hands stay soft. Let's try 2 arms at a time. Imagine the wings. Inhale and open up, exhale and let your arms down. Fly. 1 and 2, don't forget the elbows. 3, 4. It's important to keep your back straight, shoulder break together. Nose looking up, never done. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Do everything to the count of 8. Do the same thing but move your arms to position number 3. Big stroke upward. We are flying somewhere and we need to fly over something big. So we are making a big stroke. Ready? Let's try this. Same principle, elbow 1, 2, 3, 4. From here your wrist leading the movement upwards. 5, 6, 7, 8. The elbows leading everything back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, strokes up, wings down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Another exercise called a little braid. Hands in front of you. 1. Like you braid someone's hair. 1 and back. 2. Hands apart. 3. 4. Keep swing them up. Left hand in the front, then right hand in the front. Remember to bend your wrists to get this effectively. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Now braid the hair from the top down. Put your hands up and do this move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine all the exercise in one and dance to the music together. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do this exercise regularly to get perfectly soft arms. Push the like button, leave comments below and subscribe to my channel.